Hello, everybody. Brian here from quantlabs.net. Just getting everything all set up here on my computer. One last thing to do is to do the world famous share screen. All right, so before we get started, don't forget about quantlabs.net. Get on the email list. Prove me you want to make money. Prove to me you want to make money. I could show you the markets lately. They are not looking too happy. All right, so this is Yahoo Finance. Look at all the red. All the markets are down. As I said yesterday, oil is down. I mean, look at that loss there on the Russell, 3.58. Gold is up just barely. You know you have a distorted market when the market gold should be up a lot higher. That's the whole point of holding gold. Silver's down 0.5%. Look at how Forex has been crushed here. I mean, literally everything. The only thing, even Bitcoin's losing. Wah. But look, crypto's up. Yay, 0.01%. Nikkei's down. FTSE's down. But I'm going to show you more than what you know. Hello, Stephen. How are you? Is there a book to build a Binance bot? Guess what we're going to talk about? No, I don't have a book. I don't think people care about books. I do have a Python course that will show you how to get started. Let me show you that before we get started here. I'll bring up my store here. I appreciate the question. Now, I'm just going into a promotion here for a cost of my elite. You get everything for a year. It's a pretty good deal, but this is the course I'm referring to here. I'll put it in the link here in the chat. So you'll be able to get that here, $297, okay? But this will include everything here that I talk about, this thing right here. Everything you see here, you get for a year. Okay, we'll just leave it at quantlabs.net shop or academy/shop. So you've seen how the markets are doing. This is what we talked about last night. Theta. Okay, you're not making money there. Wah. As you can tell, this is really going out to people, especially so-called advisors, financial advisors. I feel for them because they're regulated in what they can and cannot say, where they can put people's money, and yet you have this chart, Theta. Okay, we're looking at, again, January 7th, in around $1, $2. Now it's at $13 in 3 months. So it's almost a 7-time return. Actually, it did reach 7-time return. No problem, Stephen. The algo is not as difficult as you think. Here's another one, rep. Okay, not a great one, but there's T-Fuel. Look at that. That's just today. What's it today? 37 cents all the way up to 53 cents. Tell me again why you don't want to do crypto, because you don't understand it. Okay, I'll go with that. Here's the last few days. 0.02 cents all the way up to 3 cents, almost 50% drop back. But you can still make money over those 3 days, and people are telling you can't make money in crypto. This was the big winner. I mean, this is the big one. Dent. Closing price. 4 cents right there. This is what we watch, the C. Okay, March 19th, all the way up to $1.49. That's almost a very close time return in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bars, 5 days. No, you ain't gonna make money. Of course not. And ask yourself, why do you listen to these boneheads? I just don't get it. I really don't. Okay, but I will say Bitcoin's got its days, it's challenged. So does Ethereum. No questions asked. So I've talked about last week the finance bot, futures bot. Here's the results yesterday, because today is the 23rd. Okay, 23rd. Boom, boom, boom. 1831 today. All right, so it was one position, guess what? You're up 57, 0.6%. What I just showed you on the stock market today alone. I mean, it amazes me. All right, so this is from today. Same bot. Okay, and again, this is when we're not making money. So this is a total ROI. And I've just said, I told people, hey, maybe anytime you want to give up your trading so you don't give up your potential profit, it comes down to the level of probability. Okay, 0.5%, not much, but it's better than what I showed you before. And the highest that you would have made on anything on Yahoo would have been exactly what I'm showing you, 0.01%, 0.1%. Meanwhile, I'm showing you here, you could have made a lot more than that, 0.5%. So when you listen to these skeptics, throw them out, get them out of your system. And this is when Bitcoin's not making money. Imagine when Bitcoin is starting to make money. Okay, like, is that an exciting chart? No, that is. And so is this part, but it's challenged. Because see what happens on the pullbacks. That's where you make money, on the leg ups. Now, if Bitcoin was really going to do a major crash, don't think it would have happened by now. Here's the thing, that what drives up Bitcoin. It's the performance of the US dollar. Okay, the stock market in the US. When things go bad, where do people go? They go into crypto, and it'll be either Ethereum or Bitcoin. Simple as that. But there are smart ones on Binance in Asia making these kind of bets. Okay, let me just show you again. That's Dent, BTT, T-Fuel. That one's not a great one. Theta, maybe Rep as well. Okay, and those are the ones that I know about from yesterday. Okay, so that's spot market. Okay, if you asked me a while ago, spot market was not the place to be. So we've gone through this yesterday. I hope you've seen my video I posted yesterday. Okay, so at the end of the day, what did it make? And again, you can stop anytime during the day. If you're happy with making 11% yesterday, you can stop. Well, maybe you want to make 16%, but guess what? You closed out at 15.7%. And you're still going to listen to skeptics that tell you you can't make money in crypto? It's obscene. And these are the coins that have done it. And I've gone through those videos. I'll do a few more of these, but I'm only going to start in the future, only focus on the top performers for that day. So these videos, I'm hoping you've seen the length. They're quite long. So I have today the same thing. Okay, I'm not seeing these. We are moving into a period of negative. Oh, what's this? 1.3. Oh my God, how did this happen? How do we get back from here, negative, to now into double-digit return? How is that possible? I didn't expect that. I thought it was going to be maybe 1% for the day. But man, as of today, 15 o'clock, today's 16:34, you would be up 8.22%. And you're going to listen to people that tell you you ain't going to make money in crypto? Maddening. Now, let me tell you something about what Steven asked. And Steven's definitely not a paid actor here. But while we got the topic going, on the store, we have Quant Elite Service. As I said, it's $1,000 for everything. Verified account. How can you go wrong? Now, do you expect that to continue to be that low price? Absolutely not. Absolutely not. It will not be that low. I don't know how long for. Hopefully you're on my email list again. To get on that, just go to quantlabs.net/nothing and get yourself all the trade secret books and all that fun stuff. And I'm sure a lot of you may bail. That's fine by me. I don't care. I'm the one doing double-digit returns here, or close to it. 9.64% is better than what I just showed you on Yahoo. Or do you like those friendly reminders of just, you like the color of red everywhere? Not just today. Okay, so crypto's the place to be. And if you want to be a skeptic, don't let me stop you. You're just a glutton for punishment that does not want to make money. I'm okay with that because I'm the one doing the winning and you're the one whining about that you can't win. But yet here it is. The opportunity's there. All right, let's get into the markets now. So what I'm going to do is as I said before, I'm only going to focus on the back end of this and go back and check out some of these winners. So let's do that. So here I showed you a pile of USDT. Okay, so if I break it down to 1 hour, it's these little leg ups that's where you're making your cash. Okay, that is where it's going to happen. All right, I'm not saying this to be mean, but I'm just giving you what's going on. All right. So that's Ethereum. It did trade. It could be still in play. I talked about that one yesterday. That was definitely in play. And if you took advantage of while you're on my webinar, maybe you watched the video, you would have made a ton of money yesterday, especially with this one on Dent. Just look at that bar just from yesterday and what you could have still hung on to just by watching my videos. That's the difference between crypto and some bonehead say, oh, crypto's no good. You're gonna lose money. Really interesting. I find that very, very interesting. Those are people that have agendas. All right, let's look at another one here. I'm gonna close out some of these charts. Actually, let me put them out there just to make people feel better about themselves. Okay, we have Chainlink. Okay, 1 day, this is too choppy, not my favorite right now. Another one that came up was XEM. I've shown this before. Again, I could sit here and tell you that some of these coins are no good. Okay, but yet the funny thing is that guess what? Some of them can just come out of nowhere, just do really well. You can see this one's a missed opportunity, and it's definitely a missed opportunity. All right, so if you got any questions, comments, let me know. I'll gladly go over them. So do not be shy on it. Okay, let's look at Neo. Neo's another one that's just not really all that exciting. Okay, Neo. What's Neo doing? Choppy. Don't like it. Okay, H bar is one I haven't shown. That one did okay. That's been a very good one, actually. Let's see how it's been doing. Yeah, you can see it's had a nice move back in decline. Oh well, it's the way life is. Stephen, you're very welcome. Bayram asks, hey Brian, did you pay for MetaWave subscription? If you did, which package? This particular edition, Bayram, is the Ultimate Edition. How do I know? Because I have the Hearst cycle in here. The Hearst cycle is a premium study, okay? So just so you know, this is what you're getting. Hopefully you're not colorblind by this, but this can be pretty good. I don't really use it a lot. I'm just very happy to have the ability to watch the harmonic scans. You can see here, based upon these double and triple diamonds here, these are the cycles of these up moves. So here you can see there was one here, and right here, that's just before it took off. So these can be very reliable, and that's why it's a premium edition, or sorry, ultimate. That's about $2,000, $3,000 and around there. It's not cheap. Okay, but I do love MotiWave. I would highly recommend it if you can do it. I'm just trying to get rid of this. It doesn't matter. Okay, moving on to the next coin, we have Neo HBAR KNC. KNC. All right, so that one's doing okay, but again, it's these last few days, it's just nothing. I mean, you're making a little bit here and there, but nothing to brag about. Another one, DOT, just been going nowhere really. This is Polkadot. Same idea. Litecoin. Let me just see here. Litecoin. And I'm going to show you my spreadsheet again, just to give you an idea on probably what caused that explosive profit to come in the last little bit. You see here, these are daily charts. It's really volatile, very downward moving, but there's always Edrin's asking for XRP. I think I showed this yesterday. It might actually be traded here. Not a whole lot. Actually, it's not bad. You know, you're looking at here, March 16th, 46 cents, pushing 53 cents. It's a 0.25% move. That's pretty good. 0.25% move, not bad at all. But I don't see it being traded today. Another one I do know is on, again, on Coinbase is GRT. This is some gaming token. Again, I don't really care about the story of these coins. Decline. That's going to be your typical performance on Coinbase, to be honest. It's a tough exchange to be on because the coin selection is not that good. XTC, I've shown this before as well. Is not a star performer as well. I like these explosive moves. That's what I'm in it for. And there are coins out there doing that. Another one we have here is, did I do XTC? It's Tezos. I used to like this coin, not so much anymore. Yeah, nothing much there. Let's see here. I appreciate you guys watching. What do we got? StoreJ. This one is an okay coin. I'm not seeing it perform lately. I digress. Remember I told you those coins that don't do a whole lot? This is a prime example. It's just been flat. And look at it. It's just the volume. This could be manipulated for all I know. As I said, I don't care. That could be a nice trade right there. I mean, you're looking at a price from, what's the current price here? You know, yesterday, 180, and now it's moved over 20% in one day. And it's just one of those explosive moves that you have. Yeah, you can see here, just watch that. It is in play. So another bonus tip from Uncle Brian to get you to make some money right now if you are on or have access to this coin. And that again is StoreJ in USDT in the spot market on good old Binance. XMR Monero, again, choppy, not really going a whole lot. ZRX, let's check out that. Wow. See, this is what I'm trying to tell you. As my prices go up, you will and should be making those back, those returns probably in the first few days. If I'm able to give you, as I said, right now 8%. Yesterday, what was it? 15%. It's a 23% return over 2 trading days. You may not even get that in your year. That's over 2 days. And there are people paying thousands of dollars a year for random newsletters, right? So what more can I tell you? Okay, Sushi is another one that's been doing pretty good. Check that one out. Sushi here. Again, just a bomb, dying. Not dying, but you know what I mean? It's just in decline. SRM. Again, this is not one of those exciting coins. SRM. No. Baramass does Motorwave give APIs for the study menu section on particular ticket? Yeah, you do get access to their SDK, their software development kit in Java. So you do get that. You're able to build out your automated trading strategies like here. This one's out of box with MotiveWave. You got an RSI one, activate it, and now you're running your strategy, your automated strategy against this particular pair. No problem. And you can code that up using the SDK for both the studies, which are indicators, and the strategy itself. So yeah, you do have that capability. CRV. CRV USDT. Let's see what that one's all about. Thanks for the likes. Again, nothing exciting there. Another one called Kava. KVA. How's that one looking? Not doing too good. QTOM. It's pretty impressive what I'm showing you here. I'm not saying that because I told you so. I'm just telling you what this thing is trading right now. You can see a little bit of a move there, 695 to 705. So it's just over maybe 4 or 5%. No problem. Bayram. QTOM I've already shown you. BTC we've looked at. YFI. Again, I'm not too excited by this coin. YFI, USDT. Nah. BNB. Let's look at that one. Okay, BNB. Oops. BNB. Let's check her out. Oops, we don't want that. We want USDT, folks. BNB, BNB. That one about 2-3 weeks ago was doing incredibly well. I made about a nice $700-800 off that. On this whole move, I just left it, walked away at least 700 US. It's just flat right now. That's BNB. Let's check out SXP. SXP. And again, you'll see these are all listed in Tether, USDT. That's for stablecoin, largest in the world pretty well. USDC is getting up there, I must say. This one's been in decline. Oh yes, this is a new coin. I have seen this before. SKL. Let's see what this one has. SKL. If I remember, this is not an exciting one, but a few days ago, now in decline. One. I haven't seen this in a while either. Question is, will it have the same performance as StoreJ? One USDT. Okay. Yes, look at that. Wow. Woohoo. See, nothing until February, and then it just takes off. And we see all those pullbacks with Bitcoin, and some of these coins don't even get affected. A lot of these coins are DeFi coins. They have their own story. They're not on any large or dependent upon like Ethereum, the blockchain. They could be on Uniswap. They could be on DOT. Who knows what they could be on? But what do you care? All you care about is money. Okay, so here, March 12th, 5 cents gone up right now. Today's wick 3 times since then. 3 times. I don't know what to tell you. Yeah, there's a lot of people out there that don't want to make money. I don't understand it. IOST. And again, I've got the technology to help you automate these same trades. Yeah, okay. This one is volatile. So this on March 20th, 4 cents to 6 cents. That's a 50% move in one day, but it has come back down, but still 1 inch. Again, I just keep seeing these ads targeting Uniswap. I don't know what's going on there. But this one just doesn't do anything. Waves, another one. Okay, I'm gonna bring you another big one. See how that one's been doing. And I know that story on that one. Okay, so we're gonna look at waves. This has performed fairly well, but not lately. go. Look at that. So there you go. And that's another one now in play. Opening price, 994, 978. So that's about a 5 to 10%. So that wick up there at 12%, you do the math. Is your technology AI based? No. Boomer UK England. My technology is based upon a much more complicated concept called supply and demand. Trades off of the order book. Pretty simple concept. If you took my Python course, you know what I mean. Okay, I told you about a good winner. That was a good one. That waves has done all right. Alpha. See how this has been doing. Oh, no, I'm sorry. That's not the one I want to show you. That one's done okay. Opening price, $1.68 to 203. What's that, a 10, 20% move? Okay, here's the winner. It's called Engine. Apparently, I think this is the coin used for Xbox. I'm no expert on that. But you can see the moves here have just been explosive. Between March 1st, 69 cents all the way up to 260. That's more than a 4-time return. I mean, it's been in decline since then, but still, you know what I mean? So again, this is to all you skeptics out there on crypto. And nor do I care about you, because you're just wrong, basically. Mana's done quite well. Again, same story, just in decline. Now, the problem with these type of trades, you may think it comes back, but why have that? You can have an automation to have that trade for you. Another one, Alpha Matic. I think I've shown you. Have I shown you Matic? This is another big winner. Matic. Okay. Let's see here. Matic USDT. Now, before I forget, we are activating people's accounts now to set up their automation. So this one's in decline. So if you are interested, just get in touch. Just go to quantlabs.net/questions. A lot of people want to know about this coin, Aave. This is becoming a fairly well-known coin in DeFi. Let's see how it's been doing. Okay, so good story here. People see this jump up and they go, ooh, great coin to have. But yet, look what's happened since. So they missed the opportunity. They're right now missing the opportunity on other coins I've shown you. But in a week, 2 weeks from now, they'll think that those are the great coins to trade. And they'll end up like this. Timing's everything. Really, it is. If you got any other questions, let me know. We're not even, I'll show you where we are at right here. We're just down here at the bottom quarter still. But I'm looking for anything else that we have not seen. I think Ontology is another one. Let's check out Ontology. Ontology, USDT, again, not a big mover. It could have been. But again, it's when I say things, I can be wrong. Here, opening price, $1.18, close price of $1.20, all the way up to what I can see here, $1.40, 10-20% move, not bad. Not bad at all. Did I show you Litecoin? Yeah, I did, I think. BAT. Oh, BAT. How can I forget BAT? That one, I think BTT I've shown you. Some of these long lost coins that you forget about, you can see here, these big bars here, back in decline again. So I don't know what to tell you. Uniswap we'll look at now. This one is definitely outperforming the 1-inch for sure. So, it's trending up, has this little odd pullback, but I would stick it out in the ones that are giving you the performance. Finding those is the hard part. Okay, here's another one that's been doing fairly well, CHZ, or CHZ, as I say in the US. got any questions, let me know. Okay, here, as I said, it did really well, back in decline. All right. Very exciting to know people are actually watching this stuff, but I could go on and on about it. As I said, I'm not sure if this really does anything for people. Let me show you EOS Doge as well, because I'm sure there's a lot of people out there that want to see these. EOS, again, nothing to brag about. Doge, people thought was the cat's meow in crypto a while back with Elon Musk and some stripper or something. It's ridiculous. Again, go nowhere. JST. I think I've shown that too. Yeah, I've shown that. Kava. Oh, Filecoin. This is not going to be exciting, I don't think. But again, I've been wrong twice today. Yay, no. Cake. I think there's a lot of these are duds. But if you let the automation trade, you will find the winners. That one's not doing too bad, Cake. Okay, this is a fairly new one on Binance, but you can see here 9.96 March 20th, and it's already pushing $11. Pretty good. This one could take off. Again, I don't know the story. I don't know. No offense. I don't care. RSR is another one. One thing I like about crypto is there's just always new coins coming in and new coins proving a lot of people wrong. So you can see here, last pullback, February 25th, 4 cents all the way up to almost 10 cents there, March 21st, 2 days ago. So, but is it going to come back after that pullback? I don't know. Sand. I don't think like I said, if you got comments or questions, let me know. Yeah, same story. They're pulling back a lot of these older ones that were performing. Maker I've shown you, OMG, Tron. This has been trading, but again, nothing exciting on this one. It's like horse betting. It's really what it is. Tron in decline there. Algo, okay, Algo I've not shown in a while. How's that been doing? Okay, no, nowhere. Waves, SFP is another one. I don't think this was going anywhere. I think this is a new coin as well. SFP. Actually, it's not bad. Low here on March 13th, about 90. Right now in decline, but up to 380. Double it, double your money. AVAX, people seem to like this one. Again, this might be one of those missed opportunities. Let's see that one. Yeah, it's in decline. This one did really well yesterday, so this might be a good one. COTI, C-O-T-I. This one I thought was written off, but we don't want that one. But look, that's still in play for sure, but you might get a better chart with USDT. COTI, USDT, how's that looking? See what I mean? You got a pullback in around, let's say, March 17th, 18.38 cents, and now approaching 60 cents. Pretty close to doubling your money. Thank you very much. RVN, another one that people talk about. RVN. Okay. That one's in decline. Zcash is a very big disappointment. even though I do like the concept of the coin, private and anonymous. Zcash, decline. Dash, another coin that used to perform. So you can see here, as you look at the US exchanges, Kraken, Coinbase doesn't have about even a quarter of these. A lot of people want to know about Cardano. Let's see how Cardano's doing. Now, this is an interesting coin to sit there, and if you want to bash Coinbase, there you go. Big bar decline. Congratulations if you're on Coinbase. You ain't making money. Stellar, they say is going to do well. Another batch are saying ain't going to do well. Let's check out that one. XLM. Oh boy, not performing today. Okay, here's another one. This is another one on Coinbase. Let's check that one out. I like bashing Coinbase and more recently Kraken because they're just useless support. Look at that. That's a solid decline. Sun. You got it. If you could find a way to get on a Binance.com or even just Binance US, I think you're better off. That's been doing pretty good up until yesterday. Back in decline. Atom. So we do have XRP here, as I had somebody, but it's already been shown. SFP Atom. That's what we're going to show. Decline. So there are quite clear certain coins that are just doing beyond awesome. I mean, my favorite one right now is definitely Theta. People are saying, well, you can hold this one, and I come back and say, well, just check out Theta, man. It's been solid, nice return. Ethereum Classic. Again, this is not going to be a good coin. It'll be flat at best. There you go. Boy, there's so many. Okay, here's one I have not seen in a while. I don't know if it's a new coin. Hive. Some of these coins might be hyped up. Hive, USDT. Okay, let's see if that's got a story there. Look at that. Oh my God. Did you hear about this one? Hive. So 2 days ago, that would have been 40 cents. And look at that. What's that now? Peaking in that upper wick, 76 cents. So you would have doubled your money in 3 days. You ain't making money in crypto, folks. It's amazing. It's just amazing that people who call themselves traders are telling people like myself, you ain't making money. And I'm just showing you the ones that are making what, double digit again, to say 10% or 9% in a market where you saw the red on finance of Yahoo Finance. Nice steady move up here. Last pullback. This is TRB, $34. Today was a decline, but $54. I'm telling you, if you want to automate your trading, that's what you do. You want to talk to me. Again, if you want to talk to me, just go over to quantlabs.net/questions. A lot of people ask about this coin, Bitcoin Cash. I've not seen this been trading a lot. Strange as it is, people think this is a great coin. For utility, it's not a bad coin, but I think XRP is better. Lower fees, faster transfers. Again, decline. Okay, 2 questions came in. Walter's free webinar. Sorry, I jumped in late. Never heard of you, but like your results. Are you using a bot or selling a bot? Yeah, I can show that in a minute if you want to hold on, Walter. You mentioned your system is working on what's for these demand, the volume that's being traded at the moment. I'm just genuinely curious. I know you're more than curious because you want the secret sauce. The secret sauce, I can tell you, it is supply and demand, and it's really just watching order book. That's all it does. It's like, yes, like today, oil dropped because they said there's no demand. What happened to the price of oil? It dropped, and it dropped quite a lot. Same thing with crypto. It's nothing revolutionary here. I mean, look around. I mean, these coins move right here. This bar, that bar will move up because people pile in when they see the price move. Not enough supply spikes the price. Pretty simple. Nothing there to go on about. Okay, let me do some more sponsoring here. Quantlabs.net. Get on the email list. I'll put that in the list here. All right. Now here on the store, I'm going to put that in the chat as well. If you want a copy of whatever I got. Now again, everything I'm listing here in this is like through this service right here. You get everything for 1 year. And what we're talking about here on the Elite, that's like with 5-6 courses. And lastly, what I'm showing you here is this one right here. This is the analytics service, okay? So the analytics service is what I'm showing you here. As I said, this will allow you to get a custom source code client in Python to receive signals from my server. And you can automate your trades on Binance.com. So if you're American, sorry, you don't have the access. Please take a look at these links, Boomer UK England. It's really good for your retirement if you're a boomer like me. I'm born in the 60s. All right, let me show you the questions. Okay, in my website here, if you want to talk to me, it's a pretty simple process. So if you go to quantlabs.net/questions, I'll put that in the chat as well. Here you can actually talk to me one-on-one. You can ask me all you want. In here, I've added these two just to make sure so we don't waste people's time, that you understand the pricing, you can afford it. And obviously there's a user agreement. So talking to me, you agree to all of that. All the other questions are very basic, and just send them off to this email address right here. I don't want to say it because the AI pick up on it and then I get spammed like crazy. So let me continue along. Hopefully I'll answer your question, Walter. Walter, free webinar. Quite original. All right, so going back to our good old spreadsheet here, and the spreadsheet I'm speaking about is this one. So I just showed you Hive, okay? So we're moving back up. Okay, this is what I'm doing here. So the only one we've not looked at is ANKR. I've just shown you Hive, folks. If you just joined us and you're out there going, oh my God, I'm not making money in the stock market, not making money in the Forex market. This one right here, it's a free, consider it a free freebie right now. This is in trade. Opening price today. Okay, 45 cents. And it's already peaked, almost double your money. We watched on last night's webinar, one of these wicks got almost filled, going live. Money to be made right then and there. And that was on Dent, which was this one. And again, that's in play again. If you're on Binance.com. Okay, so I'm looking for some other coins here. Looks like I've gone through them all. Yeah, I've gone through all of the coins. So if there's any questions or comments, let me know. I'll come back and doing another general market using Oanda, CFD, Forex, all that fun stuff, and making fun of that world that's losing. When this world, you're winning, and you're winning big if you want to. As I said, you can automate your trades. We have a Python script that you can get access to. Plus, I'll give you my snapshot of my virtual server. We just finished it up last week in Windows 2000. Windows Server. Some other tips. If you go with Binance.com and the keys, and you're non-American, you can do this. You can get it all set up. And the thing is, if you get this hosted in the Tokyo data center with Vultr, you'll get a very, 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 very ultra, very low latency, better than you'll get anywhere in the States. Vulture. All right, I've talked about that. So there's a lot of bonuses here. You don't have to be a programmer to do this, but I do give the source code to help you out. So we'll leave it at that. Thanks for watching. If anybody's got any questions, type them up. I'm willing to answer whatever you got. I just did a webinar last night. It was a very good webinar. I just pulled it off of YouTube. I don't think it's going to go back up, but we do webinars every Monday night, 7 p.m. I might start doing live podcasts on Podbean. I'm going to try it out maybe later today. Anybody got any questions, anything, comments? If not, I'll give it a wrap. Thank you very much. And whoever you listen to saying that crypto is not lucrative, do not listen to them because they don't know what they're talking about. They're blowing smoke out of their ass. And they don't know what they're talking about. I'm just showing you the charts here. Let me go through this again today. We have Hive. This is right now, hive.usdt. Storage A, you see that move there. That's a 20% move. T Fuel's on the way up. How many is that? 1, 2, 3. BTT, no. Dent, no. Yes. And that's 4. 4 coins that you probably never heard of that are moving right now as we speak. Boom. You know, it'll pay for itself. And let me just show you again. You're just joining us. Here's today's trading activity. Okay. Here's our ROI for the day. Total ROI, you can see it was negative. And look what happened. It just suddenly just came out of nowhere towards the bottom, and it just went to double digit. We've been getting a lot of double digit in the last week or so. You may not even get that on your total portfolio for the day, for the year. And the reason is because right here, the weighted average went up. The top 13 coins started to perform. That's why we got that activity. All right, so there's that. We got the futures bot as well. That one did just over 0.5% for today. I'm not seeing lose yet. Doesn't trade as much. It only focuses on Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, and Bitcoin Cash. So if you're in the States, you might be able to take advantage of it. And again, if you want to know more, just go to quantlabs.net/questions and get your email questions in, and we'll talk, get you all set up. We're activating people's accounts now on the servers and stuff, getting you all going. All you need to do is go to vultr.com, vultr.com, and that's who I chose as the cloud provider, vultr.com, right here. Tokyo, right there. Boom. Very fast. All right, so I'll leave it at that. Thank you very much for watching. Hopefully you'll subscribe, join the YouTube channel. I don't know if YouTube's ever gonna. I'll tell you, YouTube don't like people talking about crypto, and especially they don't like people that are successful at it. I've just got my my blog. It's not doing too good with the SEO. And I know why, because all the articles I put up on winning with crypto, Google don't like that. Anyways, we'll talk to you later. Thanks for watching. Have yourselves a good day. Over and out. See ya.